Welcome to this video on Scorpio Moon Sign, also known as Vrishchika Rashi in Vedic astrology. Scorpio Moon individuals are known for their intense, mysterious, and transformative personalities. Ruled by Mars and influenced by Ketu, the shadowy node of the moon, they possess a unique depth and strength that sets them apart. One defining trait of Scorpio Moon people is their emotional intensity. They feel everything deeply and are not afraid to face the darker aspects of life. This gives them incredible resilience, but can also make them prone to emotional extremes and mood swings. Scorpio Moon individuals are highly intuitive and insightful. They have a natural ability to uncover hidden truths and often excel in fields requiring investigation or analysis. Their keen perception allows them to navigate complex situations with ease, but their secretive nature can make it difficult for others to understand them fully. In relationships, Scorpio Moon people are passionate, loyal, and deeply committed. They seek profound emotional connections and are protective of their loved ones. However, their intensity can sometimes lead to possessiveness or jealousy, which they must learn to manage. Family life for Scorpio Moon natives can be transformative. They often experience significant changes or challenges in their family dynamics which shape their emotional growth. Their mothers may have a strong influence, instilling resilience and a deep connection to family roots. Physically, Scorpio Moon individuals often have striking, intense eyes that seem to pierce through to the soul. Their aura exudes power and mystery, making them magnetic and unforgettable. When faced with challenges, Scorpio Moon people rely on their inner strength and transformative nature. They are natural survivors who embrace change and emerge stronger from adversity. Their life motto is transform and rise again. In summary, Scorpio Moon individuals are intense, intuitive, and deeply transformative. Their emotional strength and ability to face life's complexities head-on make them truly remarkable. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.